Hi guys, welcome to the fifth video of AI Automation by Zapier playlist. In this video, I'll show you guys how to use Zapier AI Agent. So as an SEO agency, we were doing a lot of tasks manually, especially when analyzing the customer website, what to improve, like meta title, meta description, and all of the technical SEO jargon which we were analyzing manually. But after we created an agent in Zapier, it could be done all automatically without the manual intervention. And I'm going to show you how you can do that yourself, just like I did. So once you log into Zapier, you will have a dashboard like this. To sign up, use the link in the description and you can sign up for free. So once done, we will go to create a new agent, which we can do by clicking on agents here, or we can click agents here. So let's click on that. You will have a screen like this where it will give you a preview of how you can create your AI agent. You can click on take a tour and then it will give you an overview of how you will basically give it a prompt and creating an agent. Click on continue. Again, how the customer support agent works. It's giving you the preview of the progress and step which is needed. So let's click on continue and then click on create your first agent. Here we have all of these ready-made templates where you can see all of the different agents which Zapier provides you with. So this one is for call follow-up, which will first update the CRM, notifies the team, add the lead tracking, and send the private channel message to Slack. So all of this stuff which it will do automatically based on this trigger. Trigger meaning when this AI agent will start running. In this case, it is triggering whenever you create a new meeting in fireflies.ai software. So fireflies.ai is an AI note taker app which automatically gets into the meeting and take notes. So whenever it's taking a new note, it is going to run this workflow and it is going to make your life way more easier because it's automating a lot of tasks which you might be doing manually. Here's another one which has the same trigger of Fireflies. So whenever you have this Fireflies AI note taker meeting, it is going to read the call transcript and it is going to send a sales follow-up call, and that's the role context and that's the email guideline, meaning it's a sales agent which will automatically send a follow-up email after you have done a new meeting with your prospect. So another example here, which is for everyday schedule, it is going to make a complete list of related brands and search the scope, and it is going to extract the data and update that into Google Sheet, meaning it's an automated data scraper which will work on its own without needing manual intervention. What we will be working on? We will be working on SEO analysis. So it will automatically analyze all of the website and give us the recommendation of keyword, content analysis, meta description, and all of that kind of stuff, which we were doing manually. It is going to automatically extract the report and send a message to Slack or send an email to my team to update the problematic stuff of SEO on the website. So I'm going to use this template and see how it works. So guys, we have our AI agent almost ready and it has all of the instructions which I needed. So you can see that when asked for SEO rating, rate the website given this step-by-step evaluation rules. After rating, propose improvements to copy in an easy copy-paste way, meaning it's going to suggest all the improvements which we need to make on the website. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll simply going to give it the website URL. It is going to do the complete analysis and send an email to my team or send a Slack notification. Now, what it's basically doing is doing a complete keyword research based on the primary and secondary keywords from the website directly by visiting the website automatically, not you doing that stuff manually, going to the website, finding the primary keyword, then doing the content analysis and see if it has the proper H1, proper H2, or the proper keyword density, which is suggested by Google. And based on all of that analysis, it is going to give you the exact SEO friendly 50 to 60 characters meta title and then 150 to 160 characters meta description, which is preferred by Google in order to improve the SEO of the website. On top of that, it is going to also give you H1, H2, and all of these subheadings. It's going to suggest the content quality improvement. It's going to tell you guys the image optimization thing which you need to do, URL structure. So all of this stuff will be automatically prepared in a report and then sent to my team or sent to the client if I want, right? So I'm going to click on agent preview to see how it works. And now it's asking me that please provide the URL of the website you want me to evaluate for SEO ratings and improvements. I'm going to give it one of client website to see how it works. So I'm going to paste in the URL. So this is one of our client's website and I am going to hit enter. Now it's analyzing the website, following the step-by-step evaluation rules which we have given in the prompt. Now it's searching for the relevant keywords. Now it's analyzing the technical performance of the website. And now it has given all of the issues related to SEO which need improvement. Here you go. Now, if we check out the report, you can see that what is our score. So that is the 4.5 overall score, which needs a significant improvement. Current SEO issues identified. So that is the current, the length is good. Title tag issue is fine, but it's still missing the primary keywords like security gate, trailing, meta description. That's the score of the meta description. That is the content quality issue, which is very poor grammar and readability, meaning it really needs improvement in terms of content. Keyword optimization, technical SEO, and it has also given us the improved copy to just copy and paste for the title tag, meta description, improve homepage content. All of that stuff is provided by this AI agent automatically. We didn't need to visit the website, analyze the keyword and all that kind of stuff. It done automatically. Now, it did the analyzing. Now I also want it to send this an email to my team saying that that's the issue, please fix it. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to come to this instruction to follow tab and then hit enter and say after completing above step, please send report via email. That's how simple it is. Now, in order to send the report via email, I will also need to add an additional tool. So that's where we can see which tools is being used by this agent. Currently, it's using visit, site, and web search tool. Now we're going to need an additional tool to send an email, and I'm going to connect my Gmail email address in order to send the email. So let's click on add tool, and then we will select Gmail. And here we will find send email task and then click on that. Once done, you can see that it has added this tool and it's showing up here. Now, if I click on configure, you can see that my email account is already connected to it. If yours is not connected, it's going to ask you to connect it. All you have to do is just click on connect button and it's going to automatically connect your Gmail email. Perfect. Now let's test it out to see if it works. I'm going to click on test agent again. Let's give it the same URL again. Now it's re-evaluating the website again. Now our agent has created the report. You can see the subject line here, SEO evaluation report, Urban Ironworks website analysis, and that's the complete report. And at the bottom of the chart, it's saying that we ask for your permission before taking actions only while you're testing your agent. So it hasn't sent the email yet. It's asking us for approve to this action because it's in a preview mode. It's in a test mode while we are testing our agent. So I'm going to click on approve to see if I get the email. Perfect. You can see that our email has been sent. I'm going to open up the email to see if it's showing up on my inbox. There you go. You can see that we have our email and it's giving all of the detailed analysis. Now, imagine if you want to send it to a Slack channel as well. You can again add an additional line here. Simply add an additional line and click on Add Tool and then search for Slack. Click on Slack and then simply send a channel message to any Slack, or you can also send a direct message. So that's how easy it is to connect as many tools as you want and automate any of the manual process which you are doing. Now, if you want to change the recipient of the email, so currently it's sending to this email which is connected to, you can simply again click on these three small dots and then click on configure. And then for this too, you can simply click on that and you can set a specific value for this field. So you can add in any custom email where your agent will be sending the report to, right? And there are some other settings which you can change. You can change the from, you can change the from name, you can change the subject. So currently it's all being generated by the agent automatically. You don't have to do that manually. But if you want to override any of the agent actions, you can define all of the settings here. Once your agent is completed, you're going to simply click on publish and click on this publish button here. And your agent is live now. Now, all you have to do is just open agents.zapier.com, log in, and then you will be able to see your agents here. You can see that this agent is published and this one is not published. This is the draft, and whatever activities this agent will be doing, you will be able to visit all of these activities here. So you can see that these are the activities which we have performed from our agent, and that's the error. So that's the execution where we got the error. So it's showing all of the execution, date and time of when the agent performed a specific action and what apps were used on that agent. And here we have this needs action tab where it's giving us the error that it needs an attention, while on this execution had an error. So that's how easy it is to create an AI agent using Zapier. I hope you liked that video. That was a beginner level tutorial on how you can create an AI agent using Zapier on your own and automate most of the repetitive tasks which you might be doing on your organization or on your job. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to create another AI agent for you. Also mention what type of agent you would like me to create in Zapier. Until next video, have a great day.